Want to customize your drive's letter or name on Windows 11? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it easily. Click on the search icon in the taskbar, type Disk Management, and select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Right-click the drive you want to modify and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Change, choose a new letter from the drop-down, and confirm if it's not in use. Right-click the same drive and select Properties. In the Name field, enter a new name. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.